How many varieties are there in list? Am I audible? Guys, how many varieties are there in list? How many types of lists are there?
Array list, linked list,
Good.
vector,
Vector. Good. How many
stack.
varieties are there? Okay. How many varieties are there in set?
Ash
Hash
set,
linked asset entry set.
linked asset, tree
Tree
set.
set. Okay. Like that, we have four varieties in map: hash map, hash table, linked hash map, and tree map. Okay, four things. So yesterday we have seen a simple example how to we search a key and write a key. For example, if you want to, let's say, if I want to only type this key or values, how do I get the values? How do I get the values? Just tell me the for loop. How do I get the values? Guys, concentrate. It's very, very important of maps. Collections are really, really important. Okay. Tell me how do you get the values? String. For those of you who didn't understand, please raise your hand or something like that for you to understand. Okay. So Divyashri, Yashwant, are they in string format? Is it string?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Chalo, tell me the syntax of the for each loop or enhanced for loop.
For data type where
variable variable
and array are
array.
Array or a collection. Okay. Here what we have to do,
Yeah.
dot values. Just put dot. You'll have to get something here. Two values. Nice. If I want to get here, sys out values.
values.
Sorry, var. Okay,
Var.
if you do values here, I'll get the same. So let me comment this all. So if I run this, I'll get all the values, which is basically Divyashri, Yashwant, all which we have added yesterday, right? And also it doesn't have the duplicates, right? If I want to see only the
Yes.
keys, yeah, tell me. If you want to see only the keys, what do I do? Keys are integer. I'll write keys here, just second.
Key circle dot keys.
Tell me syntax, int keys. What I've write it here?
Dot keys.
Dot keys, good. So just put dot here, you'll get the key set. Okay, now here I just have to type keys. So I'll get keys after this. Okay, so just say run it. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let us see few examples which want to discuss the entire maps today. But before discussing that, few examples I want to discuss. Okay, okay. But I want all of your attention, guys. Please understand and tell me how we can do it. Now, I've created map integer and string, right? Can I create a hash map with string? Two strings. Can I create? Map. Yes or no? No. Not possible. We'll tell tomorrow whatever the answer it is. Not possible. Guys, what happened? Are you having fever, cold, cough like me? What happened to you guys? Can I create a map with same data type? Yes or no? Can I create?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Even if it is no, please tell. Okay. Let me write maps. Okay, something like that. See now, for example, if I want to add, let's say, do we have add? No, we don't have add. How do we add it? How do we add maps? How do you add values in a map? How do you add values in a map?
Maps dot add.
Add is there? No.
No.
How do you add values in a map?
Concat or append. Concat will not work,
Get
right?
the object.
Okay. We can add by put. So put will have key value pair. Now, can I add null? Null and null. Can I add null values to a map?
Sir, I think
Value can be add null.
none, right?
Okay. Let's see. Can I add maps dot put? So if it is string value, can I add one? And can I add, let's say, QA? Can I do that? Is it not throwing me an error? Right? Okay.
Yes,
Let's
yes.
see. Now, if I want to search keys, again, both are strings, string,
String
keys,
keys
colon,
Colon.
maps dot,
Maps.
dot
get
keys
key,
Yes.
maps dot, key set.
key sets.
Okay. Okay. Let's see if we get a keys. Sys out keys, run as the application. See, it's taking the null value because it's a hash map. So hash map will also take the null key. Now, if I want to specifically search null, can I search null? How do you tell me how do I search null?
If key is equals to null,
Again, key is a string,
uh,
key is a string.
yes, sir. Dot
So what
equal
do you write? Equals
null.
null, sys out, print the values of key, and then we don't need uh, to run iteration of QA. What is the exception here?
Null
Null
pointer.
pointer exception. Now, you tell me string equals object because keys is null. So we can add null, but does it make sense? Only thing I wanted to showcase is null can also be added to this key. Okay, are we good? Should you want to see another program?
Yes, sir.
Chalo. Please, guys, participate. It's very important. Collections are really, really important if you guys want to get properly understand programming, understand interview questions, etc. Okay. Now, so what is another map we can create? Hash map. Second variety.
Linked hash map.
Good. Link dash map. Okay. For that, do we need this at all? No. Dot star. Okay. Now, so tell me instead. Okay. Let me remove null. Okay. Let me write it as integer. Integer. Hmm. What is the issue here?
Sir, both are in
Hey.
string.
Hmm?
One is in a string, right?
Good. So we are attending here. Okay, good. So tell me three, four values. Let's see. Okay. I wanted to also show you before what was the other program map example. Okay. We added like this, right? Can I directly print the map? Can I directly print the map? Can I directly print the map? No? Yes?
I think
Maybe? Okay, chalo, good. Ranas, proceed. So Divashri, Yashwan, Varshini, Shailu. Okay. So if I add see here, did follow the order?
yes, sir.
Follow the order?
Yes, sir.
What order I entered? Divyashri, Shailu, Yashwant, and Varshini. What did I get?
Sorting descending order.
It's an order.
So always remember, what is this hash map? Is it following, behaving like hash set? Right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
What was hash
Yes,
set?
sir. Yes, sir.
So order is not followed. Now, if I have the same example, instead of Q circle here, let me add maps, maps. So if I put sysout.maps, do you think the order will be followed? Entering order.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
I think no, sir.
No? Did it follow here? So Devashri, Shailu, Yashwant, and Varshini.
No, sir. It
Here.
didn't.
No, sir.
Linked. Guys, remember linked set. Order will be followed. Entering order. Has set. Whatever the order it follows, it gives a random thing. Exactly similar. Linked. Hash map does the same thing. Now, I want to delete, let's say, okay, let me add maps dot put Rajesh as a 100. Okay, guys, understanding it's hard to understand why I'm adding Two values, it's harder to understand. You want me to explain from the beginning? Yes or no?
No, sir.
Understood?
Yes.
Dharni, understanding? Good. So now let me run this. Run as. See, Rajesh entered. Did follow the order in the way I entered? Good.
Yes, sir.
Can I have duplicate keys? Can I have duplicate keys? So Varshini is also third place. Rajesh is also third place. What do you think linked hash map will take?
Version only.
Varshini.
Varshini, not Rajesh. Okay. Let's see. Run the application. Why you take Rajesh? Why it take Varshini?
Because of R is
Arlo.
in order.
See, R is in ascending order. R will be the first. We will come last, even though we entered little bit above. So that's why it took only Rajesh. Okay. Will it take duplicate values?
No, sir.
No.
So let me run as
Yes.
the application. No, one will be ignored. Okay. Now, now understand, how do I remove? Let's say I want to remove Rajesh. How do you remove?
Remove.
Yeah, okay. Little maps dot.
Remove.
Remove is there. So remove key is there. Okay. I want to remove key 3. What do you think the answer will be? Final answer.
Divyashree Shailu
Yes, sir.
Yashwant.
Shailu Yashwant.
Divashri Shali Yashwant. Okay. Chalo run as the application. Fine. Let's say map dot remove object is there. So I can give object value and keys. So remove takes 2 arguments. Okay. If I remove one and if I say this one as Shailu, what will be the answer? Will it remove or will it not remove?
I don't think it will remove.
Okay. So let me put a comment on this. What do you think will happen? Will it find this particular key and value? Okay. Let's see. Did it remove anything?
No.
No, sir.
No. So exactly we have to give the key and value. So if I run this, what will be the answer? Shalu will be removed.
Yes.
Yes.
Chalo,
Yes.
key value is removed. Yes or no?
Yes.
So do you understand how to remove it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
So one interview question. Let's see. Uh, I want to put list and set. List set. Okay. Something here parallel. I'm teaching guys. Okay. Now tell me, how do we create a list? List. Shall I create a list of integer? List of integer. Well, let's say li equal to, how do you create a list? New.
Array list.
New list. Good. After that, this is how do we create a list?
Yes.
So we are just creating an object of interface. Does it really matter? How do we create a list? Tell me the array
Array
list.
list. Array list.
Chalo. Array list, right? So if I want to have array list, I have to add a util. So util dot start. Okay. Can I add the values here? Can I add the
No.
values here?
No.
No. Can I add the values here?
No.
No. Okay, tell me what is the error here. Expected. Good. You cannot add the values here. Good. Okay, chalo. Now tell me li dot. How to add the
Add.
values?
Li dot add.
Good. Okay. Let me add 20. List does list accept duplicates?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now, so I'm just making a memory refresh, guys. It's very, very important. Okay. Now, how do you remove the duplicates here without using remove? How do you remove the duplicates? How do you remove the duplicates? Come on, guys. It's easy. Very, very easy. How do you remove the duplicates? Can I remove the duplicates? So what does set do? Does set accept duplicates?
No.
Set accept duplicates?
No, sir.
No, right?
No.
Tell me, how do I create a set with this particular list? And how can I create duplicates? Easy only. Just think, guys.
Set
Out of the
of
box into the question. Yeah, tell me.
set of integer.
Okay, set of integer. Good. Chalo. Can I just copy this? Let us create a hash set. Let me write set. Set. Hmm. Hmm.
Another variable.
Set. Okay. SC. Now instead of array list, can I take any other list?
Yes,
As
sir.
hash list.
Hash
Hash
set.
As
linked list.
I'm writing wrong. Okay. Hash set. Good. Now, can I write li here?
yes, sir.
If I type this out of SE, and if I
Set.
type here this out of li. So is it? And I'll write like this also. Okay. So do you think duplicates are removed here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Yes,
if I
sir.
run this, see here. First, this is the list. This is set.
Hash set.
Did we remove it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Now tell me, can I create, sorry? Tell me an array. Tell me an array with duplicates. How do I create an array? Array. Tell me how do syntax of an array?
Int array of
Int array is a d equal to new array
new
or
int.
yeah, tell me. Can I just write like this?
Yes, sir.
23, 45, 67, 89, 89, 90. Can I write like this?
Yes,
Does
sir.
this array have duplicates?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Can I remove duplicates by set?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tell me, how do I remove duplicates? I'm just
Instead of
writing.
li, we can give d there.
Ah, yes. Good. If I write D here, what's happening? Cannot infer arguments of hash set. Now tell me, what is the issue here? Okay. Is array an object? I want to teach one more thing here. That's why I'm asking you. Okay. We have to convert this to a collection. Okay. For converting, we have to take a wrapper class of arrays. Okay. What is the wrapper class of int?
Integer.
What is the wrapper class of double, capital double?
Double.
What is the wrapper class of char?
Character.
With capital C. Now, wrapper class of array is arrays. Okay. Dot as list should be there. Now D. Now, there is an issue here also. What is the issue here? What is the issue here? Cannot infer type of hash set. Tell me. Can I write like this? Is it also an array? Again, I'm taking a wrapper class, guys, not a primitive data set. If I write like this, will the duplicates be removed? Okay. Don't worry. If I'm going faster, I'll go a little slow. Don't worry. How do I print the C value?
Sys out C.
Out of C.
Without C. Okay. C. Okay. What happened? 67, 23, 89, 90, 45. Did it print properly? Did it print properly? Good.
Sir, remove duplicate also.
Remove duplicate also, right? Nice. What is duplicate here? 89 was the duplicate. Okay. Let us go little one level deep. What is the wrapper class of char?
Sir, 1 second. Just scroll up.
Scroll up. Okay.
It removed the duplicates, but where is the value? How, is it sorted or what?
It's not sorted. There is another method for sort.
So this is hash set, so it's giving randomly.
It's giving randomly.
Okay.
It's a hash set. Good catch. That's what I wanted to see. What if it was a linked set?
It will give in entered order.
No, a linked set has an issue. Now, what is this issue? We have java.util. Okay, anyway, we'll see that later. So they typed right now. Let me want it sorted. Okay, I want this as sorted. Do we have something called c.sort? No, we don't have. Do we have something called
Arrays
d
dot
dot?
yeah.
Sorry,
Arrays dot sort. We can sort arrays.
we have arrays dot sort.
Yes.
Okay, so can I put here dot sort?
Yes.
How do I use arrays dot sort?
So here we have converted it as list, then so we can't sort it, I think so.
Okay, here it is just d is just an array, right? Can I put d dot sort?
Arrays are wrapper class, no? So arrays dot sort, something like that. Arrays dot sort of D.
Okay, so we need a wrapper class only. Correct, that is also good. So tell me, arrays
Dot sort
dot sort.
of D.
Good. See, now if I just type sys out of d here, okay, then if I write sys out here, I'm just making you understand about the wrapper classes. Okay, that's it, and making you understand all these interview questions. Now, what will be the 17th line answer? You tell me.
The same array will be sorted, sir, without removing
With
duplicates.
duplicates, without duplicates.
With duplicates.
Okay, chalo. Let me run this. Okay. What happened? Lang dot integer dot something like that. For sorting, we need int or not. Okay, let me comment this for a second. It is still not sorting.
Yes.
Guys, understanding? Okay, let me go little slower. Okay, integer also should work. Okay, for everyone, what exactly is this?
List.
List. What type of list did I create?
Integer.
Integer. What I'm trying to do, integer. Does list accepts duplicates,
Yes, sir.
right? So if I want to sort this, this is correct. Okay, arrays dot sort is correct. If I want to display, I don't have to. I should not display like this. It will not work. Okay. Again, use wrapper class arrays dot to string of d. This is how we have display. If I run it, did it sorted?
Yes, sir.
Already list was already sorted, right? So let me add this one in the beginning. Run as. So list is sorted now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now concentrate here, concentrate here. If I want this list to remove duplicates, can I use set?
Yes.
Why? Now tell me, why do we use set?
Because set doesn't accept duplicate values.
Doesn't accept duplicates. Okay, so one of the way to enter a list is like this. You can enter a exact list like here itself. So whatever the list we have taken an object, it takes an object in the. So now if it takes an object, what exactly is this?
Yes. Mm.
Sorry, parameterized constructor.
Yes, sir.
So if we open this, is it taking a parameterized constructor? Is it taking
Yes.
collection?
Yes.
Good. That's what I want. Tell me how many people have not understood this program. I'll explain once again. We're going little deeper, guys. Come on, guys. We are in the how many? Almost 2 months in the Java. You have to understand. Come on, guys. You're getting the logic. It's easy, tough, not tough. Good. Any Lavanya understanding? Any doubts?
No, so I just have to revise it.
Okay, no problem. Reshma, good. Collections are tough. Okay. Just a simple thought. I thought, okay, let us discuss how to remove duplicates. Shall we go back to maps? Maps.
Yes, sir.
Chalo. Now, so this is the one which we are using, seeing. One second. Okay. So linked hash map also we got. Now I have let's say this one order is followed, right? If I run this, so Divya, Yashwant, Rajesh is there. Now, if I if I remove this, if I run this, so linked match map will follow what? The way you entered. Okay, now, but I still want 4, 3, 2, 1 in a descending order. How do I do it? Again, concentrate on this part. Exactly this part. How do I get it? How do I get it? Wrapper class. Can I use wrapper class? Can I use collection? Collections dot I think reverse order infer for linked hash. Okay, maybe not for linked hash. Good. Can I add multiple null values? If I use map dot put, let's say I'll have 20 null. So will it accept null values? Linked hash map?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. If I add one more null value, is it accepting one more null value?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So if I run this, will I get two null values?
Yes.
Yes, we have to.
You got two null values. Okay. Can I add null key?
Yes.
Okay. For run it, see. So null values can be also be added. Till this point, good? Understandable?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, and Rajesh we have added, but it is duplicate. Duplicates are ignored, just like sets. But we are removing for now. Okay, now how do I convert? Okay, let us see more examples. Map dot. Sorry, map example spelling wrong. So let me run once again. Okay. I want to search so how many have yes? Divya Shri has capital S, Shailu has capital S. Okay. Now I want to run a program where I want to see whether these values contain capital S. Okay. Tell me, I know you don't know the method. Tell me how I can reach that point.
Maps dot contains key.
Yeah. For that, shall we run a loop?
Loop. Yes, sir. Enhanced for loop.
Enhanced for loop. So this is a string.
Yes, sir. String.
Okay. Tell me data type string
Yeah.
String.
with the yes. Now, what are to write here?
Maps.
Maps dot
Get values.
values. Good. Now, if yes dot
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 contains yes.
contains
contains good capital yes. So shall I give in string?
Yes, sir.
So sys out yes. Okay. So if I run this, will I get two values? Okay.
Yes.
Null pointer exception because you have added null. Okay. Now remove this. And also we have to give one condition. What is the condition? And s dot and not of s dot equals null. Okay. Let me run this. Run as still we are getting null point exception. Good. Got this point? How we are searching contains,
Yes, sir.
right? Can I use inbuilt method? Okay. Okay. Shall we try with inbuilt method? If s dot contains equals content equals concat blah blah blah, everything is okay. Instead of writing this entire for loop, can I just use maps dot contains value?
Yes.
Okay. Let me write Shailu. What it will throw? Yes. If I write
True.
sys out,
Boolean.
Boolean value,
Yeah.
good. Just trying to see what's the value. Okay. Sys out is not coming up. Nice. Nice. It came now. Nice. Chalo. So this should write what value now?
Shailu.
Shailu. 17 will type Shailu.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry.
Chalo.
True. True.
True.
Boolean.
Okay. Good. True. You type Divashri. Shailu. Okay. I don't want this. Did I do something? Breakpoint is not needed. Hmm. So let me comment this also. So if we are getting true like this, if we write just s, what will be the value? True or false? 17th line.
True.
True. Okay, let's see. False. Why false? Is it matching the single value or the entire char value? Single value or the contains value? Not getting it, guys.
Full sir, object it. I think it will check.
Yeah, C. Good. That's what I wanted. So it is checking the entire object. See here. Contains value. Dot contains value. See? Object. Entire object, not a single value. Right? So I have to give the entire value. Are we good till this point? Good?
Yes, sir.
Okay, chalo. Nice. We'll see. Do you want to guys take one example?
Yes, sir.
Okay? Okay. Chalo. Same with the same example. I want you to so in front of the laptop, right? Okay. Write a simple program. Just wanted to see whether you have understood or not. Same program. Okay, I'll just copy the same program for you. Almost same program. But I want you to get the first index value. See here? So in the same example, Divya Shri is there. Okay. Try to get the first index value.
Sir, sorry, I joined from mobile, sir. My laptop battery is dead actually.
Okay. No problem. Anyone is using laptop? Don't worry, I'll help you. Don't worry. Anyone else is using the laptop?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you share the screen, Dharni, if that's okay? I want only to get the first value. Try with simple maps dot. Can you do it?
Yes, I'll try, sir.
Yeah, no problem. Right. Let's give a minute.
Sir,
Just
only
want to see.
first value we have to get, right?
Okay. See, try.
Get.
Is there an object? Key.
Yes.
Okay. So if your maps dot get one, what will happen?
Only
This
first.
out.
Uh,
We'll get the first value, right?
Correct.
First value, first key.
first.
Okay. Divashri, you got?
Right.
Okay. Let's say Divashri has 5 and Rajesh has 1. What will I get? So is it okay? Dhani, can you share the screen?
So just now I copied the program.
Okay, no problem. No. Okay. If that's okay, like I'm not putting you on spot. Okay. Now tell me guys, what will be the 15th value? What will the value of 15th?
Maybe Rajesh.
Maybe
Rajesh.
Rajesh? Okay, chalo. Let me run it. Rajesh. So
Right.
here only you can see guys. When you put dot, get. See, it is getting the key. Maps is an ocean, guys. Maps is an ocean. Okay. Are we good till this point? Good.
Yes, sir.
Understandable. Nice. Okay, good. So let's see one more example. Map start. There is a replace function. So if I do like this, replace so let's see replace 1 with Reshma. If I put If I just copy here, sys out maps, what it will print, guys?
Instead of Rajesh, I think it will print Reshma.
That's it. Chalo, let's see.
All values.
One is replaced. Okay, now, chalo. We can do one more example. If I want to replace now, if I want to print maps here, what will happen, guys?
I think there won't be any change the value.
So will it remove which one?
It won't do anything, sir.
It won't do anything. Okay. So this you are saying H1 value will still be the same.
Yes, it will print the Divyashi, Shailu, Yashwant, Reshma as it is.
Okay. Chalo, let's see. Good. Understanding. Now, for that you have to do dot replace. See, replace integer string value replaces the entry for specified key. This based on key, guys. So, is there any key for 6? Is there any key 6?
No.
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 That's why they say this won't do anything. There is also another replace. Wait, dot replace. Hmm. Dot replace. No. Replace the entire specified key only if the current is mapped to specific value. So replace now tell me what will happen.
It will replace Reshma with Rajesh. In
Reshma with Rajesh. Okay, chalo. Let's see. Understandable? Understandable, guys? Good?
Yes.
Good. Chalo. Okay, with linked hash map.
Sir, one thing. Is there any way like we will get a first five Divyash is there, right?
Hmm.
Is that like we will get the first value?
Is there any way we get the first value?
Uh,
That's it, right? Yeah. See, if you want to get through key, we can get through key. If you want to get the first value, tell me how we'll get.
first
How
index
we
something like that.
how do I get the first value?
Is there any inbuilt function?
Is there any inbuilt function? Okay, what is this? And solve the problem. Hmm. So it is saying any issue is okay. 1 minute. Sorry. Okay, I'll come to that second. Dharni. So Divyashi we got. Okay. Now, is there any way mill method? Okay, let's see. So maps dot contains key, contains value, entry set. So get object key. What does it exactly type? Key set 1, 2, 3, 4. Keys again 5, 4, 2, 1. No. First value, you can run a loop. And this is also, you have to remember, linked hash set will actually enter the linked list exactly the way you have entered. If you
Okay.
want to get, yeah,
No, sir. Got it.
okay, now I want to know the key of Shiloh. How do I get it? Easy only. Want to know the key of Shiloh? Tough, easy, bad.
Value equals Shiloh, something like that.
Sorry.
Value equals Shiloh, something like that. Can you please? Or yes,
Okay.
equals. Yeah.
So basically, you're saying if yes dot equals
Yeah.
Shiloh, then what?
No, sir. It will give a Boolean value, right? If
It will give Boolean value.
but we
Now,
want Shiloh as a 4, right?
4. How will I get it?
For this
Easy one.
condition, we can get the key value. Key
Yeah.
value
How do you get the key value? Tell me.
S dot get key
S dot
get something like that.
S dot get key. Yeah?
No,
Is there a get key?
no. Key set
Should I write maps dot key set?
or maps dot key contain which contains Shiloh, something like that.
Maps dot key
Con-
contains key,
contains key. Yeah.
but as we have to add key, right?
Yes.
We saw this yesterday, guys. Easy only. What which here hash map. We saw this yesterday, no?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So, do you want me to explain that again?
Yes.
Okay. So, see, to get to get what exactly the key of Shiloh, we have to run a loop, for loop only, based on the entire map. How to run the entire map? So entry map is, you can do map dot entry or entry. Exactly, you have to write this. No, instead of map, it can be anything. Okay. Now colon. What it should be? Maps dot entry maps dot entry set. Now, what is the issue here? Hmm? So map, okay. So map dot entry. The same thing we are adding it here now. So again, just type this out to go slowly. This out map dot get value. So this out map dot get the key. If I run this, Divya Shri 5, Shailu 4, Yashwant 2, Rajesh 1. Got it?
Okay.
So can I write if map dot get value dot contains character sequence or okay equals no equals object, what object? Shailu. So can I write map dot get key? So shall I put this out here? So let me put here comments, comment, run as. So you got 4 guys. So any doubt in this program, guys? Any doubt till this point? We have replaced one with Reshma, and then also we have replaced Reshma with Rajesh. 2 examples. We have saw how we to get a key based on the value, etc. Any doubts? Same thing we have discussed yesterday also. I haven't actually progressed from yesterday. So what now I'm teaching from 1.5 hour. I think from 1 hour it's the same actually what we have discussed yesterday. Any doubts? Any doubts in maps? At least till linked hash map.
Okay.
Good. Send out please to ask, please. Okay. So let me see one more variety. Let me add one. Okay. I will, if you see the recording, you'll get it definitely. One more class. 3 hash map. So as I told you, one way of creating a object. Okay. So this is one way where we create object in the main class itself. There is also another way to create an object I told. How do I create an object?
Map of
Okay.
we
This is
won't
one way.
we won't assign the value there till the main class only will assign the value.
Good. That's what I'm saying. See, copy this, paste it here. QA circle students. So QA circle students will be our new
3 hash maps.
T hash map. So surround with triangle. Okay. Now detailing static. Good. Tree hash map. We don't have. Wait. Dot star. So tree hash map. What is the syntax of tree? Tree. Okay. Tree map on, not hash map, guys. Okay. There's also one more way to create an object. Now, if I add a same example, guys, same example, I'm using the same everywhere for you guys to understand. Okay. You tell me what is the answer. If I just type QA circle students, what will be the answer? Again, this is tree now. Tree. Remember, it is exactly similar to tree set. So, what will be the answer?
Will it sort the names in alphabetical order?
Sort the name to alphabetical order. Okay. Good. Anyone has any answer? Chalo. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did it sort according to the key?
Yes.
Correct, guys?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So you saw the difference here. Now, if I want Shailu, Varshini, Yashwant, Divashri, there is one inbuilt method. Okay. So if I just write QA circle student, so just write R QA circle students, that is reverse. I'll create another object R or okay, let us not create another object for you to more confusion. There is something called collections dot reverse order. So this will only happen in tree map, guys. It doesn't happen in linked hash map. Now you tell me what will be the output.
Keys will be sorted in descending order.
So it will be reverse order based on the key. For
Key.
NH, Shailu, Varshini, Yashwant, Divashri. Are we good here?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now tell me what exactly are we calling here?
Parameterized constructor.
Parameterized constructor. Good. See, just click here. It will take you to public, which is a tree map. It is a parameterized. It takes a collection or comparator. We'll see comparator tomorrow. That's not an issue. That's why it is working comparator. What is comparator? Tomorrow we'll see. Not an issue on that. First, you have to understand this. Okay? Understand this, guys. It's very, 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 very easy. Now, what if I write string here, integer here? Okay, I want to change everything. So Divyashri gets 10, Shailu gets 45, 21, Varshini gets 30. Now, I don't want to type reverse order for now. You tell me what is the value. What should be, how it will sort.
I think here it will sort according to alphabetical order.
Alphabetically. So you tell me what will be the order will come if you are alphabetically.
Divya is Shiloh or Shini
Yeah.
Yashwant.
Yes.
So Divya, Shailu, Varshini, Yashwant, right? Let me run this.
I think it's came like Divya, Yashwant, Varshini, and Shailu.
So Divya, Yashwant, Varshini, Shailu. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Divya, Shailu, Varshini, Yashwant. Correct? So
Yes.
Divya is D, Shailu is yes, Varshini V, Yashwant Y. Good, guys?
Yes.
Okay. If I write reverse order, always remember this is the key. The second one is value. Always key and value. Now, if I run this, what will happen? Yashwant will come in the beginning. Yashwant, Varshini, Shailu, Divya, Shri. Are we good at this point? Nice. Happy? Okay. Tell me, how do I delete Yashwant?
Remove.
Tell me how do you delete Yashwant?
So dot
Hmm.
remove.
Remove object key value or object integer. Tell me 21. See, it says you have to understand this here. Dot remove object key. Now tell me how to remove Yashwant. What is the key of Yashwant?
Yashwant is the key, no? Its value is only 71.
That's it. That's what I want to listen. Thank you. So what I have to write here? Yashwant. So now what it will print?
So it won't print at Yashwant and Divyashri. Varshini Shaila Divyashri.
Varshini Shali Divashri. Good. Let's see. Varshini Shali Divashri. So always remember the first one is a key, the second one is the value. Even though integer string doesn't matter. Okay. Can I create map with 3? Can I create? Incorrect number of arguments. Always remember. Map KV. What is key?
Value.
K is key. V is value. Always it should be double. Only two types of data types. Understood? Till this point, are we good? Understanding?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let us see one real life example. Okay, so let us make this interesting. Now, Rajesh, what happened? Rajesh caught up and he forgot his 3 best friends' phone numbers. Okay, once again. Now, what he's doing, he wants to create a map of string and long. Tell me, Rajesh, how do I create a map of string and long? String and long.
Sorry, instead of integer, directly long.
Yeah, okay, but we'll create just for what do you say? Understanding purpose. Map, or then can I just copy this?
Yeah.
Very good. Now, shall I will do string and long? L
String.
capital wrapper class of small long, which is capital L. Now,
Yeah.
instead of QS circle students, Rajesh phone directory. Now, directory. Now tell me Rajesh. Okay. Now let us remove this all. Let us remove this all. Now, instead of Rajesh phone directory, can I write like this? Okay, don't write exact tell phone number. Okay. Tell me your 3 best friends, Rajesh.
Sachin.
Sachin. Okay. You have Sachin as a friend, huh? Don't say Sachin, Kohli, and Dhoni. Okay.
No, sir.
Okay. Tell me how do I add put? Now
Small.
put. Good. So now string Sachin. Now tell me how do I write the phone number?
So anything have like 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 4, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'll write L at the end. So Sachin, you just okay. Who is the second best friend?
Adesh.
Rajesh. Oh, you have Rajesh as a friend also.
Adesh, sir. ADE. Adesh. Adesh.
Adesh. Sorry. Okay, Adesh. Okay, spelling might be wrong. Don't. I'm just writing another number. Okay. Tell me what's the third best friend.
Darshan.
Darshan. Oh, Darshan Raval. Nice. Okay. One more number. Now, if how it will print? Did I give any reverse order? Who will come first?
Reverse order is not given, sir. It will print as it is.
As it is, huh? Okay. Always remember, tree map will sort. Okay. So,
Uh,
is sorting done?
Adesh, Darshan, Sachin.
Adesh and Sachin.
So Adesh, Darshan, and Sachin will be printed. What happens if I don't give L here? See, long should always add L. Else it is out of range number. Interesting, guys. Good.
Yes, sir.
Understandable. So we can add an entry. Entry arrays we cannot add more than one data type, right? So in maps we can add more than one data type. So Sachin, Rajesh, Darshan we can add. So this will be sorted accordingly. Any doubts in tree? Any doubt is linked hash map or hash map?
So hash mark basically it will print the values randomly. That is the difference, no?
Hash map, yeah, randomly. For example, if it was a hash map, so it can have this order also. It can type any order. See, Adesh, Darshan, Sachin for three values. Let's say we have one more value. Okay. Let's say Rajesh has a girl number. Rajesh is not married, right? Let's say you have a favorite friend Rajesh in a girl.
No, sir.
No. So it is no girl. This is the number of no girl. Okay. Let's say run as Java applications. It got the address, but it will have randomly. See, Adesh it got first. Darshan, no, Sachin is the first, right? So it is not following the order. What if it is a linked hash map? Will it follow the order?
Yes, sir.
It should type Sachin, Adesh, Darshan, no girl. Okay. See, Sachin, Adesh, Darshan, no girl. So any doubts, Dharni? Any more doubts? Anyone? Not only Dharni, Rajesh, guys. Come on, guys. Purnima, Reshma, Varshini, Shailu. Please respond, okay?
No
Good. Are
doubts.
we good here? Reshma, understood?
Sir, one
Understood,
question.
sir.
Okay, good, good. Rohit, we have Rohit here today. Rohit is not there. Karthik, understood?
Sir, one question.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, we are like for reversing, we are doing it based on the key values, right? Reversing
See, everything happens based on what? Not value, guys. Based on what?
keys, right?
Key, yes.
We
So if you
cannot
want to
pick
reverse, we are
from
using what?
reverse.
I told you no. Wrapper class, collections, dot, reverse order.
Reverse order. Correct. This
But it
reverse.
happens only for what?
Okay. Keys.
It happens only for tree map.
Tree map.
Tree
Correct.
map only has the reverse order.
Correct, sir. Tree map.
Yeah. Sorry, tell me the doubt. Ask you.
So the reverse order will happen only on keys, right? Not on
Only
values.
on keys. Everything on keys. Sorting happens only on keys. Reverse order happens on keys. Everything on keys. So imagine if it happens both keys and values, it will not doesn't make sense, right?
Yes.
Mm,
It should happen only one category. Either it should be on keys or values. So keys should be unique or not unique. Okay.
Unique.
Let's say I have two Sachin, okay? So somehow you have two friends as Sachin. Okay. Now, if I write some other number, which Sachin will be entered? You have to understand this. So Sachin is a key now. Can we have duplicates? Also duplicates calculated under keys or values.
If it's a duplicate, it will go to values.
Ah. If it's a duplicate, will go to values. Okay. Chalo. Then this should be entered, right?
Mm.
Where is? I don't find any other Sachin.
So it will take key and it will, so it won't allow duplicating keys.
No. Keys should be unique. Keys
Yeah.
always should be unique. Keys can be null also. Okay. Can I write null? Null as same. But okay. Again, it should be null cannot be in double quotes. Cannot read the value. Another string is null. Okay, null pointer exception. Tree map. Okay. Tree doesn't take null. Let's see. Let's see hash map, but not collections reverse order. Let me run this. So see, null is taken, but only for what? Hash map. Linked hash map will take null or not?
It
Yes or
will,
no?
it will take
No?
it.
Will it take Dharni? Okay, let's see. Run as Java application. Yes. Okay, but tree map will not take null. See, it's not so. If I get an exception, is it a runtime exception or a compile time exception?
Runtime.
Huh?
What
Runtime.
exception? Null?
Runtime or compile time? Yeah, yes, Dharni. Tell me.
Exception in the sense null exception you're asking.
Yeah, null pointer only. It is
Then
coming
uh,
runtime or
runtime.
runtime. See, understand one thing. Compile time, which will show an error here only, because whenever you are writing parallelly, ID is compiling. Runtime means run as Java application. This is compile time exception. Understood, guys? One more thing, what you understood? Tree map will not take null values. Tree map will already sort. By default, it will sort by ascending or descending?
Ascending.
Send.
Ascending. Good. So Sachin, which Sachin is taken? First Sachin or second Sachin? First Sachin or second Sachin?
Second Sachin.
Second. So it saw the Sachin here. It saw the Sachin here. So this one got deleted.
Why is that?
So you have to understand the insertion order, how it is inserted. Trees.
Yes, it will ascending order. So Adesh, Darshan, then comes Mughal. So then there will be two Sachin.
So this is how it is. What do you say? Displayed. But do you guys know binary trees or some trees? Have you gone to data structures, algorithms, etc.? Okay. If you not have, don't confuse on that much. So this is basically an entry. So this will be entered, 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 entered. So now once these four are entered, if there is a duplicate key, here also the same thing happens, guys. Yeah, here let's see if I add this same thing. So based on key value will be added. Key duplicate, value duplicate. Key,
Yes,
if I
sir.
add key one Naveen. So if I print QA circuit students, Diveshri is gone or Naveen is gone?
Naveen is gone.
Naveen is gone. Okay. So you don't want Naveen to be here. Or Dharni.
Hey,
So it actually replaces the key. See, you always map
hey,
follows key.
hash
Yeah,
map. Then it should give it in a random way only, no?
yeah, random only, no. So
1, 2, 3.
Naveen, huh?
Giving 1, 2, 3 for an order only.
Hey, come on, Dharni. When did we enter Naveen? First, last or first?
Okay, last.
Ah, only remember order means not sorting. Okay, order is different, sorting is different.
Okay, okay.
Order means the way we enter. Sorting is what you are saying 1, 2, 3, 4. It is looking at a sorted value, but it is not in a ordered manner. Now, you might understand it's 1, 2, 3, 4, but you add like 10, 20 values, it will always be a random value. Maybe because you're entering only 4 values, it might seem it has sorted. Maybe it can sort, maybe it cannot sort. It should always be random. Good catch. Good. So Diveshri is replaced by Naveen. Okay. Divya, are you there?
Yes, sir, I'm here.
What happened, Divya? You were really, really, you were the one of the Students who used to talk always ask questions. What happened, Divya?
No, I was little busy with office work, so
Okay, okay, guys, please do concentrate. The later part of the Java will be little tougher than the starting part. I can understand people are so into the starting part, but it has to be reversed, guys. As soon as we end the Java collections, then buffers, Excel reading, it won't be hard. I will not say hard. Everything is easy, but it will be more interesting. You guys, come on. Now, so you got all the things, guys. Good. Are we good? Tree map, tree map. Good. Hash map, linked hash map. Okay. So good. So last one we'll see in the maps. Then we'll see iterate tomorrow. Okay. Tomorrow I'll be taking the class. Okay. I thought I will not, but Saturday will not take. Tomorrow I'll take the class. Please do join tomorrow. Okay. So last but not least, this is called hash table. Can we add null in the tree map? Can we add null in the tree map?
No, sir.
No. Okay, chala. Good. So let me add hash table. Now, hash means understand hash, random entry, blah blah blah. But it is a table. That hash map will allow duplicate null or not?
Yes.
Yes. But hash table should not allow. Let's see. So we'll add here the same thing. So I mean here, now main method. So again, Rajesh is having another directory now. So let's see, I want to have null. And this is a hash table. Now, how the hash table looks like? Exactly like this. Hash table. And dot stub. Util dot star. What is happening? Hash table, correct only. Type arguments. Okay. So okay, that's a problem. So I've created a class only hash table, user defined class. Delete it. Delete. There is also another issue. So we should not have the same class as Java defined class. So let's say hash table class. Okay. Now in the hash table class, I'm adding all the things. Let me add from map itself, copy, paste it here. Let me add this all the things. So Rajesh had also some other person name which should not be name. So he added null. Now I'm trying to print the Rajesh phone directory as a hash table. Now hash table shall write it here. Hash table dot star. So it should take. Now tell me it should take. So if it is not taking, let us put hash table here. Hash table string long. Okay, wait. First, let me see. Hash table is there. Is there? No. Okay, it's small t. See, small p. It's a map. Good. So if I run this, will it should throw an exception or should throw everything properly? Like how Sachin, Nadesh, Darshan, Nogal are there.
It should print everything as it is.
Okay, chalo. It should print like randomly, right? Whatever it is. So
Yeah.
let me run it. So we have, it is not even printing the value. See, we have null pointer exception, cannot invoke object hash code, key is null. So at least in tree map, if you are entering the null value, right? So Rajesh has a null value here. At least it was printing, right? So let's say it was, we were getting an exception, but it was printing a field. Oh, here also it was not printing. Good. So we cannot enter null in hash table and tree map. Okay. If I run this, see, no goal we entered at the last, Adesh middle, Darshan here, Sachin here. Good.
Yes, sir.
Good. Chalo. Then no null key is allowed. We can see multi-threading in future, but any doubts?
So then what's the difference between a hash table and the tree?
One second, I'll admit it. So tree, does it have sorted values? So let me go here tree. So if I run this, Adesh in the beginning, if I go to hash table, no girl in the beginning,
Okay.
okay? And also execution time we have to see. For example, go in the hash table. Hash table is a cache class or interface?
Class.
Class. Okay, good. See, class, public hash table. This is a parameterized constructor. Little up, little up, little up. See, hash table. It implements a map. When you say implement, what exactly is this? What is this?
Interface.
Interface. Correct. Go inside. See this interface. Whenever implements come, guys, it's interface. Clonable. Interface. So implement only comes for interface. Extends comes for what?
Inheritance.
Yeah, I know extends come for inheritance. Even implement comes for inheritance. But what exactly is dictionary?
Class.
Class. See, dictionary is a class, but abstract class. But it's okay. But it is still a class. Okay. Now it will go up. So any doubts in? So if you want deeper concept, we can see hash table is used in multi-threading concepts. What exactly is a thread? I told in a first class, if I go to where is that? It's a different system. Huh. Remember guys, long bash hash set, linked hash set. Oh, not this one. So we were having list comparison. Huh? So remember long back little while ago, we had the threading concepts. Which one is better? So if I run this Java application, so let me go a little up. Which one was faster? Array list, which has let's say 6.5 seconds. Vector is having 20 seconds, but linked list is having 130 and whatever is the seconds value is. So either vector or array list is faster. But always you have to understand synchronization. Synchronization. So now, so imagine we are 10 people in this call. Now 10 people, Sony's not Sony signal, sorry, Silkboard. I think Nana today, I think she have not come. So Nana was telling, right, Silkboard we have a junction where it's very choke point of Bangalore. Unless and until you have a signal, it's always chaos. No signal, any car can go anywhere. That is called synchronization or threading concepts. So vector is very good for threading. It will only allow one task at one time. Means go to paint. Again, what I'm trying, imagine this single silk board signal. And we have four junctions. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Four lane, four different types of roads. So these lines are nothing but the signals, red, green, blue. So if we get red here, all these things will be stopped. So other lanes will be kind of free way to travel and all. So this is called synchronization or threading concepts. If one thread is stopped, then only other threads will execute. Okay. So linked list and array lists are chaos kind of a thing. So they don't follow threading. So anyone can enter, anyone can exit, etc. Accident happens, it happens, no issues. But vector follows that. Similarly, we have in hash tables, that is a different advanced concept. When we go for multi-threading, I'll try to explain that. Hash table follows multi-threading. How it follows, why it follows, I'll tell you in another class. So apart from that, guys, I think it is little chaotic for you to understand. Understood, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
And also did I explain this concept? How do we remove duplicates in a list? By creating
Set.
set, because set doesn't accept duplicates. Okay, now can I remove duplicates by map?
Yes. Exactly.
Yes, but can I enter the list in a map?
I'm not sure.
No. So, but we need two lists. So this list only has one data type, right? So we have to
Okay.
create another list and we have to enter. That we'll see later. I think almost it is 11:17. Don't want to take much of your guys' time. And also we saw sorting, removing duplicates in also an array, but we have to convert arrays as a list. List means it converts as a collection. Always it takes a collection. Any doubts, guys? Understood today's class? Important.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, let me stop the recording.